Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we're going to talk about the top best cheap dashcams you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. So you thought it's time to get covered through a cheap dashcam deal for yourself? There's no need to spend hundreds on a dashcam, because for what you need, many of the lower priced models are more than enough. In an ideal world we wouldn't need dashcams. But this isn't an ideal world, and thanks to insurance fraudsters, terrible drivers and the odd giant boulder rolling down a mountainside and onto the freeway, dashcam sales have meant ever more people recording as they roll. In this roundup we found the best deals on some really good dashcams. We've chosen models that offer the best number of features and build quality for your money, so you know you're getting a good choice in the end, whatever you go for. And with seasonal discounts now arriving, as this is the best time of year to catch a hot discount, you may find some extra cheap dashcam sales and deals below. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Nextbase 322 GW Dashcam. The Nextbase 322 GW is filled with an array of amazing features. Seriously considering this unit if this is at the very top end of your budget. At 60 FPS 1080p, the 322 GW captures footage over a 140-degree angle, and footage can be accessed via direct Wi-Fi or a mobile Bluetooth connection or via a 2.5-inch touchscreen. The built-in GPS pins footage with a geotag, which offers an indisputable record of the location of an incident. Emergency SOS, which will instantly warn emergency responders to your location in the case of a major incident, is a big safety feature, and the incident alert feature can be set up to send your insurer directly with GPS information and video. Of course, it's got G sensors and park mode. Another impressive feature of this camera is its modular expansion capability. Additional camera modules are available and can be easily connected up to the 322 GW to increase your video coverage. You can choose between a rear view or cabin view camera, which attach directly to the 322 GW via USB, or the rear window camera, which can be situated on your rear window to cover the road behind you. On number 4, Nextbase 222 Dashcam. The Nextbase 222 is, shockingly, the big sister of the 122. The 222 films with 1080p HD footage and 30 FPS or 140 degrees and are loaded with a 2.5-inch screen, high-precision G sensor, and park mode. Again, you'll need to buy a separate microSD card. On number 3, Nextbase 122 Dashcam. A clean and highly affordable entry-level dashcam, the Nextbase 122. With it, you will receive high-quality, accurate 30 FPS road recording covering a 120-degree angle. For instant replay, an accurate G sensor and park mode, the 122 is also loaded with a 2-inch screen, but you'll need to get the microSD memory card separately. Recording efficiency has been slightly affected because of the price point. It stands at 720p, which is still HD, but is definitely the lowest you'll want to go. On number 2, 8-man dashcam. The 8-man dashcam only costs a little more than most cheap dashcams, but it offers some pretty good specs. The lens has a field of vision of 170 degrees, the f/1.8 aperture provides decent low light quality, there is a G-force sensor to stop automatic overwriting of footage after an impact, and it has both motion detection and parking mode. The 32 GB capacity is not huge, but it should be perfect for daily use, and the battery here is not only to save your preferences, unlike some rivals. When there is no direct power source, it can produce about 20 minutes of continuous recording. On number 1, Vantrue N2 Pro Dashcam. The Vantrue N2 Pro is built for individuals who need to record not only what's going on outside the car, but even inside it. That makes Uber and taxi drivers, skilled drivers and anyone who is inclined to a bit of carpool karaoke well matched. The specifications are generous, 170 degrees of vision to the front and 140 degrees inside, dual recording of 1920 by 1080 at 30 FPS, interior night vision with motion detection and also decent audio recording quality. Compared to other dashcams, it's very costly, but it's a bit like insurance, you'd prefer not to need it, but you'll be satisfied if tragedy hits. So guys, this was the video about the best cheap dashcams. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.